So as everyone's here for a training that is going to be conducted on uh, Python for Cisco networking plus DevNet. I am going to be the instructor for this particular training, and my name is Abhijit. As I said, you can call me AB. And talking about myself, I've been dealing into corporate training since last 9 or 10 years, and my key expertise has been in the field of routing and switching, security, some part of data center, and currently I picked up a couple of technologies in which I do deliver trainings on SD-WAN. Then I have some expertise in SD access as well.
If you enjoyed the content of the video, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.
And then I've been delivering trainings on automation specifically since more than 2 years, since Cisco actually came out with their line of certifications. So, as you all are aware about, that Cisco came up with a new track into their line of certifications, which was DevNet. So they have announced 3 levels of certifications. You can say DevNet Associate, okay? Then you have DevNet Professional, and then you have DevNet Expert. So the CCI equivalent, or you can say CCI DevNet, has just been launched kind of a couple of weeks ago, but the exam is not live. So this particular exam is going to be live, I think, on May 2022. But they have announced the content of what it's going to be there in the exam. So this is a lab exam. But before that, before you attempt for the expert exam, there is an associate exam that you need to go through, which is a very fundamental exam towards your network automation journey. But we always launch our course, or we always deliver our course in a way that Python for network engineers plus DevNet. We don't rather go specifically into DevNet because there are some prerequisites that we feel must be covered before anyone jumps into the content of DevNet, and it helps a lot when you have a basic understanding about Python and have a bit of practice onto how Python actually works. Then it kind of gets easy to actually dig into network automation protocols that have been introduced into the DevNet course. So that is our motive towards bringing this course in a combination fashion. Now, as I gave the introduction of myself, I would also like you guys to give your introduction with your name, then with your location, then your organization. After that, you can tell me about your role and your motive to join this particular training. That will help me to understand your expectations and fulfill your expectations from this training in a better way possible. So I'll take everyone's name one by one. You guys can please introduce yourself, and then we can get introduced with the content and get started for the day. So I'll request Alagappan to introduce yourself, please.
Hey, hello, Abhijit. My name is Alagappan, and I am from Tamil Nadu, and basically from Tamil Nadu and from Trichy. And I am working in Bangalore. Actually, it's a UK firm, Connect managed, and I do have experience in contact center, Cisco contact center, and Amazon Connect. Yeah, basically I have experience in contact center and IP telephony in Cisco, and as well I do know Genesys contact center also, means Genesys Cloud and Amazon Connect. I started working for last 2.5 years, and I'm just started to learn automation and how to automate L1 L2 task if we have a possibilities in the call manager and contact center side. So I was referring this course in YouTube and all, and I saw that your profile is covered with the Python basics and DevNet. So I thought Python is a basics for that in DevNet, and so I I guess it will be helpful for me in IP telephony side also, and even collaboration, which has WebEx APIs and WebEx calling involved. So that's my idea behind the course. Yeah.
This can act
Thank
as
you.
a base structure, and you can build up your automated task based on what you're gonna learn on this course. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks. Then
Thank
we
you.
have Aniket with us. Aniket, please introduce yourself.
Hey Abhi, this is Aniket. Yeah. So Abhi, basically I'm from the Maharashtra, Mumbai, and I do working in a Bangalore in a TCS as a part of the Cisco network. And yeah, so my basic role is there as a network engineer. So I'm working as a design engineer with an architecture, and I do have some configuration related stuff as well. That's basically toward the routing, switching, data centers, and your service provider network. But I do have the good interest in like the automation of the things and to how to do the automation. And so yeah, basically that's is the purpose I'm looking for as a future for the automation stuffs.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Then we have Braj Sharma with us. Braj, please introduce yourself.
Hi, Abhijit. So, actually, I'm in Mumbai based, and working for Cisco since a long time. And my role is as a solution architect, especially working on data center project implementation, planning, designing, implementation, plus service providers networks. And I was looking for a training which can help me to like automate the things like routers, some automation script for routers, switches, plus like SD-WAN solutions, ACI. So I just gone through your website, and Kshitij was the person I contacted with. I came to know that you were starting from basic of Python and also I.
So you're already working with SD-WAN and ACI as well?
Yes.
Great. Okay. I'm gonna introduce you with a couple of portals that would help you to automate those solutions as well in this training. All the best.
Thanks.
Then we have we have GS with the name of GS. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi, Vijay. I'm God this side. I have 15 years of experiences in networking domain, and I'm right now working with British Telecom as a network architect. And my core technologies are working on routing, switching, SD-WAN, and cloud technologies. So I'm parallelly working with the where we produce all kind of automation. I'm working with the product development team of British Telecom, where we perform all kind of automation with help of XML or XSLT or any kind of Python scripting. So I'm looking forward to this course to upskilling myself in Python, Ansible, and any other YAML languages that we are right now seeing in our technologies. So looking forward to it.
I think you joined one of my previous trainings for the same as well, right?
Yes, sorry to miss. I was one of the student of SD-WAN training also.
The weekend, I believe. But
no, it was weekdays. It was weekdays.
Right?
Yep.
So you're like reappearing for this?
Sorry?
Are you reappearing for this training?
No. I am appearing for this Python course first time.
I remember you were joined in one of my earlier training as well, which was there for automation, and you also mentioned that Ansible is not covered or something like that.
Yes, I joined that for 1 or 2 days. It was suggested by the team of Pinets to get onto that batch as well. But due to some unavailability issues, I requested them to please provide me the next batch, and then I joined this.
Okay, all right. Well, back then. So next we have Jayant with us. Jayant, please introduce yourself.
Hi Abhijit, I'm from Mysore. Working location is Bangalore, and my current organization is Entity Limited, and I'm working as a network engineer. And motive means I need to upgrade my career skill because future is everything is automation. So I need to upgrade my IT career skills. So that's why I prefer this.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Then we have Al Sayed with us. Al Sayed, please introduce yourself.
Hi, Abhi. Hi, everyone. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you, please.
Okay, great. My name is Khalid Sayed. I am from Syria, living in Dubai since 2005, working in Duo Telecom company since 2011 as a network engineer in second line operation. I am currently working in multiple solutions like Cisco, Huawei, G1 as well as. I am CCI routing switching certified. And recently I am feeling that most of our work will become automated. So hopefully this course can help me to improve my
Perfect.
career.
Thank you so much. Then we have Naresh with us. Naresh, I think, yeah, Naresh, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi Abhijit, and hello everyone. Okay, so I'm from Mumbai, and currently I'm working from one of the investment bank. Okay, so where my responsibilities are like managing data center and to keep the setup up and running for the users. Okay, so as the setup is spread across globally, so it sometimes becomes challenge for us to quickly find the root cause. Okay, as we are supporting the operations, so we have to quickly identify root cause and fix it. So sometimes it gets challenge for us to identify where the issue is. So with this course, like I wanted to learn basics of Python and understand how I can use this automation to build some kind of tools, which I can, so which I can take the captures of command outputs like the routing table and firewall policies and use them in future when there is a problem.
Great, perfect. All right, thank you. Then we have Nilesh with us. Nilesh, please introduce yourself.
Hey, hi Abhijit. My name is Nilesh. I'm from Mumbai, and currently I'm working with Atlas Copco India. And I do hold 7 years of experience. My profile is network operations specialist, and the basic motto regarding this course is I'm very much away from this programming world. So as I saw that it will touch Python right from the basics, so I thought it will be really helpful for me.
Great. Thank you. Then we have Rupesh with us. Rupesh, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi Abhijit, Rupesh here. I'm working as a network engineer since last 8 years. And since last 2 years, my company is focusing more on the automations. So we already have this Arista switches where we are doing the configuration using the CVP portals. Also, we have the NFV CSR routers where we it's like push the configuration using this Python script. So
okay.
I learned that bits and pieces, okay, but I wanted to
understand the logic behind it.
Logic, yeah. So that logic I wanted to learn, because those scripts are very complicated. So whenever we push that configuration, yes or no?
Do you push it using netconf or something else?
Yeah, we use Visual Code, okay, Git repository, and from there we use this Visual Code to push that configurations. So there is a script prepared by my global team, and this is very complicated. So I wanted to learn that. Means like we face most of the times we face problems while pushing that, and solving that problems. It takes some more time. Like instead of like changing the configurations, we are always busy in the solving that problem. So that's why, yeah. So that's only it.
Great thought. Thank you. Then we have lastly Shepo with us. Shepo, please introduce yourself.
Hi. So I work as a collaboration engineer, mainly dealing with Cisco collaboration. And this course I want to take it just so I can get a bit of traction in terms of the direction that we're moving towards automating most of our applications at our customer side. So I work with a large service provider in South Africa, which is where I'm based.
All right. And I think we have another candidate who have just joined, Vishnu. Hey Vishnu, we are just going through introduction session. So if you can please introduce yourself with your name, location, organization, role, and motive, that'll be really great.
Hi, Abhijit. This is Vishnu
Hello.
Priya. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Please go ahead with the introduction.
Yeah, I'm Vishnu Priya. I'm from Chennai. I'm working in academia and currently I'm working in university. It is in VTech and I'm taking a teaching role as well as I'm doing research in SDN and network security. And why I joined this course, I just want to upskill my knowledge and also I'm looking for some career change and looking in the network developer area. So I'm having already knowledge in Python. So I just want better of my skills.
Perfect. Nice to hear that. Thank you so much for your introduction. And I think that was all the list of participants that we have in this particular training.